In this tip, we will look at how to use the multi-tool when building course content in MyClasses Canvas. Before you move forward with content creation in a brand new course, you can choose to have the Salisbury University online and hybrid course template added to your course, which will provide you with a standardized course setup that incorporates elements of Quality Matters. When you are ready to build content in your course, whether you decided to add the template or not, you can use the multi-tool to create your course outline and placeholders for content and assessments. The multi-tool is an LTI that is integrated into MyClasses. Therefore, it will need to be enabled in your course for you to use it. If you imported course content, your multi-tool may already be enabled. If it is not, you can enable the multi-tool by going to Settings, click on the Navigation tab in the middle at the top, and enabling the multi-tool, then scroll down and press Save. The multi-tool is not visible to students. To build your course outline, click on the multi-tool from the Course Navigation menu. The multi-tool consists of the Template Builder, the Module Builder, the Due Date Modifier, and the Delayed Announcement Modifier. Icons for each of these tools are located in the Multi-Tool toolbar. The Page Template tool allows you to create a customized content page that you can duplicate for use and include in modules to give your course a more uniform, put-together look. The Module Builder allows you to quickly build module outlines that establish a pattern for your course delivery, which can then be modified for individual module needs. The Due Date Modifier allows you to manage all of the assignment dates in your course in one page. Then the Delayed Announcement Modifier allows you to create your announcements for the semester and have them roll out on specific dates so you don't forget them. If you have copied content from a previous semester, you may only need to use the Due Date Modifier to update assignments to match the current semester due dates. If you choose not to use the Due Date Modifier or the multi-tool, you can still modify the dates of your assignments from the Assignments tab. Click on either the Page Templates icon or the Page Templates link, and you will navigate to the Templates page menu. You can create a front page if you're not using the Syllabus tool as your home page, and you can create template pages for various uses. Add the title for the template page and click Create Template Page. A page is then created that can be edited for customization. Return to the multi-tool. Click either the Module Builder icon or the Module Builder link to go to the Module Builder menu. If you have existing modules, you can update existing modules, or you can add new modules. When you click to add new modules, you will get the Module Pattern menu. If you do not have any existing modules, this screen will default to the module pattern. You can create general module outlines and then customize each module as needed. Select your module categories from the drop-down menu, then select how many modules you would like to include in your course. When you create a module, you can tell it how to number it, how to label it. Then you can include any headers, pages, assignments, discussions, and quizzes that you want for your typical course module. For example, I usually have 3 modules in my course, everything for the first module, Exam 1, Everything for the second module is exam 2, and everything for the third module is in the final exam. And within this, I always have a header. I have a page of introduction. I will have lectures and content material, and I will have assignments, then I will have quizzes, and then I will have reviews. So whatever the pattern is for how you deliver your course, you can build that all here as you build the module, and then just copy the module so you'll have the framework to add your material in. When your basic module pattern is complete, click Generate Module List. This does not add the modules to the course, but provides you a more detailed outline of your module list for customization. You can further customize the items in each module, such as adding or removing additional items. And once your modules are structured as you want them, then click Add Modules to Course. Be aware that you do not want to navigate away from this page while the tool is processing the module list. Wait until it is done. If you do navigate away from the page before the tool is done working, not all of your modules will be generated. Now you can add due dates to all the assignments that were created. You can click on the due date modifier icon or the due date modifier link. One of the first tools you can use in the due date modifier is the Blackout Dates tool, which adds dates on the calendar that are disabled for selection, such as holidays, breaks, or professional development days. The Blackout Days section will allow you to block out days of the week or specific dates under the Blackout Dates section. Beneath the blackout dates, you will find a list of your assignments, including graded discussions and quizzes. You can add or adjust the due dates and times, and the available from and until dates and times for all assignments in this one area. If a previous date existed, the original date will appear as a link beneath the date field. You can use this link to restore the original date if needed. When you are done adding or changing your dates, click the Update Assignments button to apply them to the assignments in the course. A green check mark confirms when the update for that assignment has been completed. Now that your course outline is built, you can go in and add details to all the pages and assignments that you created placeholders for. Thank you for watching this tip. For more information, please review the following guides.